how to connect Zendrop to TikTok Shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about and show you how you will be able to connect our Zendrop over here, a dropshipping platform, together with TikTok Shop. Now, connecting it is very easy. First thing that you need to do is to log into your account, of course, and click over here on the top left. You have the option to connect my store. Simply select that. And over here, typically it is commonly used to connect to Shopify. Therefore, this is the default appearance. But for us, let's simply click on choose another platform. And now over here, you have the option TikTok US over here as you can see. So simply select TikTok over here, click on continue, and just simply connect your store by simply logging into your TikTok shop store after you click on continue once again over here. So it will redirect to the login page of TikTok Shop, as you can see, and it will also ask you to authorize the installation if your account is already logged in. So over here, as you can see, simply wait for this to appear or to finish loading, and just simply follow on the next steps that are being shown here. So it's just basically authorizing or giving an authorization on those specific apps. So it's loading for a bit, I guess. But it's going to be using apps from the App Store inside of your TikTok shop in this page over here. So anyway, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.